Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTC P043E and P043F, relate to the EVAP, Evaporative Emission Control System, leak check module, indicating issues with standard pressure levels. DTC P043E signifies low standard pressure, while P043F indicates high standard pressure within the EVAP system. The EVAP system captures and recycles fuel vapors from the fuel tank to prevent harmful emissions. Located typically near the fuel tank and integrated with the fuel delivery system, the EVAP leak check module plays a crucial role in evaluating the integrity of the EVAP system. This device checks for leaks and maintains appropriate pressure, a vital function for both vehicle emission standards and overall efficiency. Addressing these DTCs is important for compliance with environmental regulations and to ensure optimal vehicle operation. DTC P043E indicates that the standard pressure in the EVAP leak check module is low, suggesting that there may be a leak or a blockage within the system. Conversely, DTC P043F signals that the standard pressure is high, indicating a possible restriction that prevents proper functionality. The EVAP leak check module works by testing the integrity of the EVAP system. If it detects either of these conditions, it triggers the respective code found close to the fuel tank. The EVAP system consists of various components, such as hoses and the canister filter, all of which are essential for its operation. This system helps capture fuel vapors and ensures they do not escape into the atmosphere. Diagnostic steps involve testing pressures and checking for physical blockages or malfunctions in associated components. Several factors may lead to the triggering of DTC P043E and P043F. Poor connections in the circuit can disrupt the electrical signal necessary for proper module function. Loose terminals may prevent the necessary voltage from reaching the EVAP leak check module, leading to misdiagnosis of pressure issues. Blocked drain hoses can also result in incorrect pressure readings, affecting the module's performance. If any components of the EVAP system, including the canister filter, are damaged or malfunctioning, this can trigger these DTCs as well. Each of these causes needs to be methodically checked to ascertain the root problem. Understanding these factors is crucial for an effective diagnosis and remedy. Symptoms associated with DTC P043E and P043F can vary, but often they include a recurring check engine light, which serves as an early indicator of malfunction. Drivers may also experience reduced fuel efficiency, as the vehicle's engine may work harder to compensate for the irregularities in the EVAP system. Furthermore, the vehicle could potentially fail an emissions test, which should not be overlooked, as it could lead to additional legal or financial consequences. Testing failure occurs when the EVAP system does not pass the diagnostic checks mandated by emissions guidelines. Being aware of these symptoms will help in identifying issues early on, ensuring timely repair and compliance. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P043E and P043F, the vehicle should be turned into the on mode to initiate the electrical systems. The next step involves clearing the DTC using the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System, which helps reset the vehicle's onboard computer and clears existing fault codes. Once the codes are cleared, the vehicle should then be turned to the off, lock mode to prepare for the diagnostic testing. After this, the vehicle should be turned back to on mode, allowing for the environment needed for testing. In the HDS inspection menu, selecting the EVAP test for the EVAP leak check module is crucial for determining if the system operates correctly. Confirming that the test results are satisfactory is essential for proceeding to further diagnostics. The second troubleshooting step involves physically assessing components related to the EVAP leak check module. Begin by removing the EVAP leak check module along with the EVAP canister filter for a thorough inspection. This step is vital, as it allows for direct access to the system's drain hoses and associated parts. After removal, check for blockages within the drain hoses that could impede the flow of vapors through the system. Additionally, inspecting the EVAP canister filter is essential, as a clogged filter can lead to erroneous pressure readings. If any blockages are found, remove them. Or if the parts are significantly degraded, consider replacing them as needed to ensure the functionality of the EVAP system. Once repairs or replacements have been made based on diagnostic findings, it is crucial to verify that the issues have been resolved. Start by conducting another check of the DTCs. Clearing them with HDS once again is necessary to reset the system. Afterward, it's essential to take the vehicle for a test drive, allowing the onboard computer to recalibrate and assess the EVAP system while under normal operating conditions. Monitoring the check engine light during this assessment will help determine if the repair was successful. If the light does not illuminate and the system passes tests, you can consider the repair confirmed. This verification process is vital for ensuring that both DTCs are properly addressed, thereby restoring the vehicle to optimal performance. Preventive maintenance for the EVAP system can save you time and costs in the long run. Regular checks of the EVAP components should be scheduled to identify any wear or damage before DTCs arise. Keeping all hoses and filters clean and free from blockages is essential for preserving the system's integrity. Regular diagnostics with the HDS can ensure that you catch any potential problems early on, mitigating any severe consequences. Additionally, maintaining good functioning terminals and connections can help minimize the risk of electrical issues leading to pressure irregularities. By following a routine maintenance plan, you improve not only the reliability of the EVAP system, but also enhance overall vehicle performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC's P043E and P043F and their implications on your Honda CRV is crucial for effective vehicle maintenance and compliance with emission standards. Following the laid-out troubleshooting steps meticulously can help diagnose and rectify issues within the EVAP system. It is also essential to routinely inspect and maintain components to avoid future discrepancies that could lead to premature wear or failure. A proactive approach to vehicle maintenance, including regular diagnostics, may save both time and costs related to extensive repairs down the line. By recognizing symptoms early and addressing them promptly, you ensure the longevity and reliability of your vehicle while promoting environmentally responsible practices. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.